baby. I didn't mean to make you cry. Sing with me, people. I didn't mean to make you say bye-bye, baby. Won't you let me make you lose control?
You're making me lose control.
Every day's a new adventure. Daylights renewed, embracing those who view the enter. Captivated by the vibes of our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on your YouTube handle, Ian and Tina now.
Yes, it's been a long time, so I'm not sure if I remember.
Alright,
So,
okay.
Alright, maybe it's better on the floor.
I think that part stands up. That bit that you have in your hand, those three legs, stands up. So those will be your legs. So, so I think this here,
Yeah.
maybe you got it right. Okay, sit it up straight.
Oh, alright.
Yeah. Right.
Okay. So then,
Is-
just go down.
There you go.
There you go. And then,
Pull it out towards you a bit better. That's it.
so these legs have got to go there, I guess. Right.
So, do you need to still tighten this thing here? Alright, put your third leg back here, because I'm sure it has to have a stand type thing.
Yeah, which is here. So,
Okay, so this can adjust up or down. Oh, so I'll hold it up for you and you lock it.
so
Boom.
that's locked.
What about this piece on the floor?
I think that bit.
Goes across for your...
I guess. You said that was a metal bit that you didn't know.
Yeah, there's this spot. I don't know where that goes. Alright, let me see if we can do it together. There it is.
So,
With a little bit, with a bit of the professional touch.
so yeah.
It took a little moment,
A
but
minute.
yes.
What we got there?
You know. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, that's more like it.
Yeah. This could still go down a little bit more
Oh,
and then fit on it, but that's
Yeah.
fine.
but if you want, it has the adjustment to bring it down some more. Hello, people!
And
Yeah.
welcome back to another vlog.
Yeah, today is Sunday.
Yes.
And today's vlog is really about our Sunday dinner.
Right.
You know, so we're gonna incorporate some of what we're doing today
Yeah.
because, as you can see, just now we were struggling with.
The artist easel.
Right, so now we've bought it now almost a year.
More than that.
More than that. We're not that long.
Yeah, I think we've had it for about 4 years.
Mm.
Yeah. And it's the first time I'm using it.
That's the first time it's coming out, but it's coming out for a good job.
Yes.
You know,
because-
so yeah, let them know what it's coming out for.
Yes, because as you know, that's my thing, painting. You've seen all the pictures around the house, so but we haven't really got a painting of us,
Together.
me and hubby together,
Right,
Tina.
together.
So if I remember rightly, was it last year I did the picture of us, or this
Which
year?
one? Oh,
Pencil.
oh, this year.
This year, yeah.
We did a pencil. We did a photo shoot about last year Christmas.
Yeah.
And we liked one of the pictures, so Wife for Life drew it.
Yeah.
And then we thought it would look real good if it
In a
was
portrait.
in a portrait painted. And that's gonna be it.
Yeah.
That's just the black and white version for Wife for
Yes.
Life, but it's really gonna be
In colour.
all the
So So it's going to be in colour.
Right.
Yeah, I got all the paints, which I'll show you in a minute.
And they're a beautiful couple.
Yeah, I love it. So I'm dying to start it actually. I'm just like really, I gotta get it done.
Right. As you can see, there's lots of paintings and drawing that's in the house that's done by Wife for Life. But some of them are also around the corner.
Yeah.
But if you guys who have been with us for a minute, I'm sure you've seen all of them.
Yeah.
Plus, in my office as well, there is
one. Yeah.
There's only one in there. Yes. There is one. But yeah, this is going to be our project for today, and our combination project for the day is going to be
Sunday dinner.
Our Sunday dinner is going to be
rice and peas and chicken.
Yeah, but rice and peas Jamaican style.
Yeah.
So it's rice and peas and coconut milk.
Ooh.
And Wife for Life has our own Sebàs Southern fried type chicken.
Exactly.
But it's no secret, so we're gonna let you guys on it since you're not gonna be here to eat with us.
Yeah, we'll eat it for you.
We'll show you how we make it, and if any of our viewers are like foodies, that's what they call. If you're foodies and you want to try the food that we make, let us know the outcome and let us know how it tastes.
Exactly. Yeah.
This is too much, too big.
I don't think so. I don't have anything in between, so better to use that then. I need another bowl.
So yesterday's dinner.
Spaghetti bolognese.
Yeah.
Made by Mara. And cover it with cling film.
Yeah.
And the little man there washing up breakfast dishes.
Alright, let me handle that, what you're doing, because I move a lot faster than you do. So what you could do is you can dry them and I'll wash them. And it's all about the camera lighting, you know?
Yeah.
And today is kind of bright, but
the sun, we know that the sun is not over on this side, so yeah.
I'm a Boy Scout. I was a Boy Scout, you know, so I know my compass good. So if you can show me where north is,
then you know the rest.
then I know the rest. And do you know the compass offhand? Can you recite it?
I know this is north, northwest, west, west, south.
That's the other one. You're going anti-clockwise.
So let me show you
Your scout skills.
Let me show you my scout skills. Right? Brace yourself, people. This is cardinal points.
Right.
Yeah, cardinal points.
Yeah.
East, west, north, south.
Right.
Yeah. North, northeast, northeast, east, east, southeast, southeast, south, south, southwest, southwest, west, west, northwest, northwest, north.
Oh, great.
There you go, baby.
I can't, what do you call that now? I can't mark you on that because I have no idea.
Get Google and then I'll do it again and you tell me if I'm right. Cardinal
point.
Yeah, I used to sing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I remember. Most of our subscribers will agree that most things to be remembered, if you make it into a song,
yes, it's easier.
it's easy.
Okay, you got them all?
Have you found it? Okay, boom.
Oh.
Here we go.
All right.
North, north, northeast, northeast, east, east, southeast, southeast, south, south, southwest, southwest, west, west, northwest, northwest, north.
I think you missed that one though.
Bring it
How
up.
long you said east, northeast?
Yeah. So, north, northeast, northeast, east. Oh, I didn't say east, northeast.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. 80%.
80% is good because as I said, I would not get that because I only know north, east, south, and west. So there you go.
Well, Dad taught me like a long time ago about southwest, southwest.
Yeah, man, that's why I was grooming him.
Yeah.
You know, considering that we move so much, just in case we get lost. So you see how much of a good husband I am. I left the easy job for her. You know.
Should have left anything for me.
No. The thing is, I didn't intend to give you anything, but I wanted to give you some screen time.
Oh, I had a little bit of screen time.
Yeah, but your screen time was more like this. Look. You know, so I wanted to give you some. No, check it out, man. Check it out. Check it out. This is your screen time. Yeah. And if I was supposed to do that, this would be my screen time. Look.
Okay.
There's a difference, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I know you're beautiful and everything. Our subscribers love you, but I don't think they want to be up in your grill like that, you know. So, people, let me know if you want to see Wife for Life like this, how you're seeing me now, or do you want to see it like that? Gonna need my milk, my rice.
Kidney beans.
I didn't do a real measurement, I just do enough. Oh. Yeah.
Have to put the fan on it. So that's doing its thing.
My estimation, my piece should be 3/4 ready.
Right.
You understand? Not 100%, you know, 100% ready yet. You know?
Okay.
So I'm just gonna see if my estimation. Wife for Life always doubt my estimation of
No, I
things, you know?
don't.
Especially when we're doing geographics. This is what I call a modern pressure cooker. Because
Yeah.
the one that I'm accustomed to seeing, you know, Jamaicans cooking on, it didn't have any ring. You couldn't take the pressure out like that. You'd have to get a fork.
A fork,
or
yeah. I
knife,
remember
you know.
Mom had one. It was like a heavy metal
Exactly.
thing.
You know. Once it's safe to open, this
Yeah.
ball will fall. So
Let's wait for the ball.
just wait for the ball. I need my scallion and
Yeah.
have you used this already?
Time, yeah.
When did you use it?
In the bolognese.
I know. I'm like a Gordon Ramsay type kitchen person, you know.
I'm sure Gordon Ramsay even shares his time. I get it, shares his time.
I'll give you that one.
Thank you.
Wife for Life usually have the corniest jokes, but no, that one was actually, that one was actually good. I'll give her that one. That one was actually good. He actually shares his. I'm gonna actually put that when the editing. I'm just gonna put it here, you know, so people can like read it. You know? A joke by Wife for Life. Look. It's right there. All right. So it's about to go down now.
Oh, let's see.
Yeah.
Caught it.
There you go. Now, moment of truth.
Oh yes, let's watch the opening. I'll stand back. There we go. Peas.
All right.
Red peas.
Looks good. So now it's
Better.
yeah. Okay.
Cool.
Finally got this thing steady.
Yeah, so I finished the grid. The grid is what I'm working at for, you know what I like to do, hubs.
Precision is everything for me anyway when it comes to art.
Exactly.
So I think if you freehand art, it's almost impossible to get the precision correct. You know?
There are some great artists out there.
Yeah, that's a rare kind of artist that can actually ace the precision. You know, so I'm not saying it's impossible. I'll take that back. But yeah, the precision is everything.
In all my big posters and pictures that I've drawn, I think it's the best way. So
Yes. Let me give them a run around how many big pictures you've done.
Okay.
So you've done that one for the Survive promo.
Yeah.
You've done my favorite here,
That's my favorite too.
Bingy.
Yeah.
We've done, what's her name again?
Lucy.
Lucy, yes. And you've done that little one, that's a long time ago. You've done my barcode.
Yeah.
You've done my logo back in the day, that's an old one. And you've done the big man himself.
Yeah, that's wonky.
So,
yeah, this one I'm going to redo again because, you know, as you grow, don't you, as an artist? Well, I do anyway. I've noticed that I've grown a lot more.
you can do better.
I can do better.
Right,
so I'm going to redo that one in the office for you.
Right. As you can see, my rice and peas is coming on nice and delicious. But I'm gonna give you guys another sneak peek into what I would call the treasure chest. Alright, check this out. Only for you, our faithful subscribers. Moment of truth. Let me give you a little drum roll. Barry, we got a drum roll. You do better drum rolls than I do. Okay. Yeah. Steaming y'all up. Steaming y'all up. But check that out. Isn't she beautiful? Yes, yes, yes. For all of my viewers who are familiar with Jamaican-style rice and peas, y'all can rate my rice and peas right there. Look. My mouth is salivating. So pretty much my ship has sailed, and then Wife for Life is gonna come in, and today is a multitasking day. Wife for Life is doing her thing right there. You know, I don't know if you guys can see the improvement because the light is so bright and the canvas she's working on is also white. So
yeah, so I'm just concentrating and
okay.
you know, this is not like
Yeah.
you know, this is just like the outline, so
Right.
I know where to paint.
Okay, let her focus. Let's step out of her office for a minute and let her do her thing. She's multitasking because she's behind the camera when I'm cooking, and plus she's doing her painting. And I have been waiting for maybe the last 2 hours, people. I've been waiting for my computer to update. Check that out, man. It's at 91%. Yes, it's been doing that for the last, I don't know, 2 hours, I would say. That's the current situation at the moment, and we'll keep you posted. I'm about to serenade the wife. You told me you love me. I said I never meant. No, baby, I didn't mean to make you cry. Sing with me, people. I didn't mean to make you say bye vibe, baby. Won't you make look inside your soul?
Oh my gosh, you sound like a drum rat.
Let me make you lose control.
You're making me lose control.
Won't you let me dance, kiss you down? Baby, let me kiss you
We need a
down.
duet song.
Flying around and around, left to right. If you don't mind, baby, can I spend the night? It's my question to you. Can I turn you on? Can I turn you on? Can you, baby, till the break of dawn, baby? Can I turn you on? I think my rice is
It's midday.
ready. So, drum roll. Boom.
Wow,
Check that out, man.
that looks nice.
Risen good too, you know. Look at that.
Yeah, man, that's rice
Yeah.
and peas.
Yeah. It needs to dry out a little bit more. I can tell it's wet,
Yeah.
but I'll give a taste test.
Num num.
Andrew Zimmer or Mark Beans, which one you want?
Mark beans. He goes, oh.
Okay, have a taste and give me your favorite Mark Beans.
You ready for this?
Yeah, Mark
I'm
Beans.
not impersonating you now.
Yeah, Wife of Life's about to impersonate Mark Beans. You got this crap, okay.
You know, I can taste the thyme and the scallion just on the tip of my tongue.
My rice is done, and you're up for your.
My time to shine.
Yes. Alright, let me get behind the camera.
Basically like sour milk. It's supposed to get thick. KFC does it. They marinate the chicken in buttermilk, which is the one you've just seen me
Well,
make there.
I'm not gonna lie, you know, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm not just saying it. The reason why I requested that chicken for you to do today
Yeah.
is because it did taste like KFC.
Really?
It did.
Wow. Pour this milk here, my buttermilk. See how this chicken is looking. Yeah. Crispy. Make the salad and then
So
there you have it. Our Sunday special dinner vlog.
Sunday dinner special.
You say it.
The Sunday dinner special.
Sunday dinner special vlog.
Completed. As you can see, it was a multitasking Sunday. Wife for
Yeah.
Life was doing her art. I was waiting on my PC to update.
Yeah.
I did my rice and peas. Let me know what you guys think. And as you can see, Wife for Life did our
SFC chicken.
Yeah. It's
Well,
no longer a secret. Whatever your family last name is, add that to FC and it's your chicken.
Cool.
So that's pretty much it for this vlog, people.
Yeah. So see you in the next vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the cooking.
Drop a comment. Let us know.
Let us know what you think.
Yeah.
So until next time, people.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Captivated by the vibes of our YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on your YouTube handle, Ian and Tina now.